Hey garden friends, I'm headed today over to a local nursery that's all about delivering some sunshine and inspiration for children. The children are going to be decorating some sunflower shaped cookies and repotting some flowers that they get to take home for themselves. It's going to be a lot of fun.
You're trying to keep me out, sir? I'm like, I am entitled to park here. Okay?
Did you get your idea for the sunflowers workshop?
You know, I love sunflowers, and I know that sunflowers are such a special flower. And just learning about them myself, I thought, how about if I teach this workshop to kids so they can learn the beauty of sunflowers, how you can watch them grow, look at their beauty, and also enjoy their beautiful seeds as a snack. And so I just kind of, it morphed into this idea of the cookies and then planting and then sending a plant home with the kids so that they can watch it grow and they can take care of it.
And isn't that a wonderful way to get kids inspired and interested into gardening?
Definitely. I always feel like if anybody can get their hands in the dirt, it's a good thing.
It was a beautiful day at Iron Pony Nursery, and there was a good turnout. We had a lot of families come bring their kids and get ready to learn about sunflowers. And there was nobody better than to teach the whole class about sunflowers than retired school teacher Mary Belle Salinas. She just has a way of teaching kids about gardening, and she just knows how to grab kids' attention and keep them interested in the topic. And they really were. They were very involved answering questions that she asked them. And really, they learned so much in this class, and so did I. And we talked about heliotropism, and we talked about how to plant seeds and how to get them to grow, and how you can actually harvest seeds to eat yourself. And for those of you who don't know what heliotropism is, it's when a plant just kind of orientates its leaves and its flowers directly to the sun so that it can get the most sunlight to it. Isn't that fascinating? Plants are just amazing. We also learned that pollinators love sunflowers, and they provide a great source of pollen for those pollinators and a great source of food for both animals and people alike. Annabelle really made them think, but in a fun way, in a way that kind of sneaks in the learning, so they don't really know that it's a class about sunflowers, but it's a fun time about sunflowers, and they really enjoyed it. After this discussion, the kids were fully prepared to get in there, get their hands dirty, and repot some sunflowers to take home and take care of themselves. And there were other activities that the kids did before they planted up their sunflowers. Decorating cookies and getting to eat their cookies, and then a scavenger hunt. It was a lot of fun and really a great way for hands-on learning.
Or no, it was a little bit bigger. I think, I think what it was is it wasn't quite right.
Oh, it was?
I told Ava, it's a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So this is the